Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete reminders on iPhone. So if you have a daily reminder or timely reminder set up on your iPhone, and now you want to delete it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete reminders on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the reminders app. Once you open the reminders app, locate and click on reminders under my list. Once you select the reminders under my list, scroll down, locate the reminder you want to delete, and then swipe on the reminder just like this. Then you should see these three options available: details, flag, and then delete. To delete the reminder, go ahead and click on delete. Then if this reminder is a daily reminder, you should see what that says delete this reminder only, or delete all future reminders. Now to delete all future reminders, go ahead and click on delete all future reminders. Then this will not only delete the reminder for that particular day, it will only delete the reminder next. So you're no longer be able to see the reminder again on your iPhone. So that is basically how to delete reminders on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.